December is wrapping up, and drone enthusiasts around the world are buzzing with anticipation over the long-awaited DJI Avata 360. Many expected DJI to drop a surprise announcement before the end of the year, but the company has remained completely silent. No teaser trailers, no leaked images, and not even a hint from certification databases. For DJI, a company known for its tightly timed marketing rollouts, this kind of quiet is very unusual and has left the community speculating about what's going on behind the scenes. Typically, DJI follows a very recognizable launch pattern. Leaks begin with certification filings and promotional visuals, followed shortly by a sleek teaser video that highlights a standout feature of the new product. Official announcements usually land mid-month, often on a Tuesday or Thursday. Based on that predictable schedule, many believe December 16th or 18th would be the perfect dates for an Avata 360 reveal. Yet, as those days came and went without a single teaser, it became increasingly clear that a December release was off the table. DJI generally drops a teaser roughly a week before an event, so the absence of one around December 9th or 11th hinted strongly that the timeline had shifted. According to a well-connected source in Shenzhen, the Avata 360 is now being pushed to January 2026. The delay, however, isn't because of technical problems. It's reportedly a strategic pause. DJI, it seems, is deliberately holding back due to the growing hype around its new drone and the rising competition from the recently launched anti-gravity A1 arrival drone that also claims to be the world's first true 360 camera drone. Rather than rush to market, DJI may be recalibrating its approach to ensure it dominates the narrative once it does launch. If DJI sticks to its historical logic, possible launch windows in January could fall on the 16th or 18th. To hit that schedule, we'd expect to see an official teaser video appear around January 9th or 11th. Until then, nothing has been officially confirmed, and DJI continues to play its cards close to the chest. The rivalry that's fueling this delay has an interesting backstory. It all started in mid-August when the startup Anti-Gravity unveiled its ambitious plans for the A1, a drone it claimed would revolutionize the market by offering full 360-degree capture capabilities. The company's teaser campaign was aggressive, building massive hype online. But when launch day came, the presentation showcased only a prototype, with confirmation that the final product wouldn't arrive until January 2026. This move reportedly triggered DJI to accelerate its own internal strategy. Sources suggest DJI began allowing subtle, controlled leaks of its Avata 360 drone to build buzz and remind fans that it, too, was deep into development. Once Anti-Gravity caught wind of DJI's progress, it scrambled to adjust. The result? Anti-Gravity pulled off a surprise, moving its A1 launch up to December 4th. This maneuver was largely seen as a marketing tactical way to grab early headlines and claim the spotlight before DJI could officially step onto the stage. Now that A1 units are finally reaching customers, early reviews and performance details are beginning to surface. This puts even more pressure on DJI to deliver something spectacular when it finally launches the Avata 360. The battle for dominance in the 360 drone space is heating up, and both companies are playing for keeps. Meanwhile, DJI's other product lines appear to be moving forward without issue. The Osmo Pocket 4, for instance, has already cleared FCC approval, a key regulatory milestone that confirms it's on track for release. This approval process ensures that the Pocket 4 isn't affected by the recent FCC decisions impacting certain DJI drones. In fact, insiders report that DJI is preparing not one but two versions of the Pocket 4, the standard model and a Pro version. The standard Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to launch first, potentially in January, and aligns with the company's original timeline. The Pro model, however, will take a bit longer to arrive. According to reports, it features a dual-camera setup designed for more advanced creators and filmmakers, offering expanded shooting capabilities that surpass the base version. Although early speculation hinted at an April release, newer information suggests that the Pocket 4 Pro might not debut until later in the spring, perhaps around May or June. While excitement builds around these upcoming releases, there's also been confusion surrounding recent US regulatory actions against DJI. The company has officially been added to the FCC's covered list, which has sparked waves of misinformation online. Some users have expressed panic, fearing their drones might soon be grounded or disabled by firmware updates. However, the truth is far less dramatic. The FCC's ruling applies only to the import and sale of new future drone models from certain foreign manufacturers, including DJI. It does not affect drones that are already approved or currently in circulation. This means that if you own a DJI drone today, whether it's a Mavic, Air, Mini, or Avata, you can continue flying it legally and safely. Your drone will not be shut down, restricted, or rendered unusable as a result of this decision. All current DJI models remain fully legal to own, fly, and register with the FAA. That includes popular models like the Mini 5 Pro, Mini 4 Pro, Mini 3 Pro, and the Mavic and Air series. Drone retailers are still allowed to sell these models, and there has been no recall or removal from shelves. Any reports suggesting otherwise are simply misinformation. The confusion seems to stem from ongoing customs and border issues that have occasionally delayed DJI shipments into the US. These logistical problems are unrelated to the FCC's covered list. Once resolved, DJI sales for approved models should continue normally. Unfortunately, the panic has led some owners to prematurely sell their drones out of fear, often at a loss. Ironically, this could backfire if fewer new units become available. The value of used DJI drones might actually rise. For drone enthusiasts, the takeaway is simple: if you own a DJI drone, keep it. It's still perfectly legal and fully functional, and there's no indication that this will change anytime soon. The Avata 360 and Osmo Pocket 4 represent the next steps in DJI's evolution, even as the company navigates new regulatory landscapes and fierce competition. As we head into 2026, all eyes are on DJI to see how it responds to anti-gravity's early move, and whether the Avata 360 can redefine what aerial 360 video capture means for consumers and professionals alike. One thing is certain: the battle for the skies is far from over, and DJI's next big reveal might just be the most exciting yet.